was here during all occupation and stay with my patients and people who need medical care. First of all, I want to save my center of rehabilitation of wild animals and birds. Second mission was to care some people who need medical care, and I try to treat all people. Third, I try to feed all animals, all dogs and cats who were
who was left alone
on the street of my town.
Yeah.
Tell us the story. What happened when the Russians came through? What did they do?
Тому, мабуть, ви краще поясніть. Вони зайшли до мене з перевіркою.
So they came in and to check something.
Тому що, в принципі, вони вибивали двері і заходили без запрошення постійно, там, кожного дня.
Because they just were breaking the doors and coming in every day.
І моя собака, захищаючи мене, почала гавкати, тому що зайшло 4 чоловіки, які були агресивно налаштовані.
And her dog, she started to protect her because there were 4 men and they were very aggressive, so she was trying to protect her.
І вони одразу застрелили мою собаку в голову.
So they shot it at the head.
Це був для мене very emotional situation, дуже емоційний момент, і я плюнула в нього.
So it was a very emotional moment for her, and she
I understand.
Так, тьфу.
Spit.
Yeah.
For him, на нього.
Yeah.
І він він від злості вдарив мене автоматом, pushed me.
So he pushed with his the I don't know, gun or something that he had. He pushed at the shoulder.
Wow.
І потім вони обшукали весь будинок.
So they searched all the house around. They searched in the vet clinic. They took all the stuff they wanted. They opened all the cages, all the voliers they have here. And then they were coming 3 times to check it if everything left, I think, or something. So she was walking through the city, and it was very calm, and it was like the atmosphere of fear. It was like in the air, and she just was coming through the one of the big houses, like that have many stages, and looked there with no reason, but with the feeling, and she saw the sniper on the 3rd floor there.
І я зрозуміла, що ось він на мене дивиться, і, оружие.
She just grabbed she had the big bag with the food for animals, and she was trying to get it just very calm. She put it to the land, take some food from it, put it also like to the land, and count into 16 with no reason. Also, just understanding that he didn't shoot her and that she could go. On this route, after the occupation, she found out that he was killing people, but like he chose who to shoot and who's not, and her best friend Tanya was killed by this sniper on this route.
Про неї теж написали.
And it was written on BBC about her.
Потому что на глазах у ее дочки и мужа они шли с белыми повязками, как и я ходила. Они шли абсолютно спокойно, и он выбрал именно ее, и на глазах у ее семьи убил ее пулей в лоб.
So she was walking with her family, with her daughter and her husband, and with no reason they had also the white, some not wearing, but the things to show like they are the people. And she was walking with her family, and he chose to shoot her. All the family saw this, and She was shot at.
І тільки після деокупації я про все це дізналася і зрозуміла, що тут були великі ризики для життя. Тому що коли я ходила, був великий адреналін, він вирабатувався постійно, тому що були авіаудари, і я взагалі не думала про самозбереження. Потім я проаналізувала, що це був надзвичайні ризики для життя кожної миті.
So after the occupation, she analyzed that it was very dangerous to be here, but when it was here, because of lots of strikes of avia like bombs, she was just walking there. Lots of adrenaline was in the blood, and she didn't think of self-caring. And only after that finished, she analyzed that it was very dangerous to be here.
Well, I think it's absolutely amazing, your bravery. I'm staying here to do this. It's very uplifting to see that you're also helping the animals as well. It's just an amazing story. I wish it never happened, but yeah. What can we do? What is there anything more that we could do for you? I mean,
No, thank you. Все all right. Да, сейчас уже все хорошо.
Like now everything's okay here because the spring came, and it's also the part of treatment because it's calming down. But now she's missing her family, she's missing her children, because at that time she had to choose either to go with her kids or to stay here with the patients. And she chose to stay here with the patients, but children were stressed so much. But now she said, here is everything okay, so she wants to go to her kids.
can you say thank you very much for doing what you've done?
Спасибо
Really,
большое за то, что вы сделали. So that was the examen for the humanity, and we passed it.
With flying colours, I'd say.
Да, еще и как.
Thank you.